Good afternoon all. We are in Roehampton in South London today, working on this 2010 Audi A3 2-litre TDI. It's having a engine carbon clean and a DPF clean service. Was very blocked up, over 200 millibar idle. So it's had, as I say, a full 3-stage engine carbon clean and is now processing through its DPF clean service. The reason for this blockage on this one is the customer never does anything but city driving and had driven around with it for a long time. So with the DPF light on, so it just gets clogged and clogged and clogged. So it's now having a full flush out on the DPF, and then we'll reset the computer and take it for a drive, make sure it's all good, and then give it back to the customer. So if you need our carbon cleaning services, our DPF clean services, or a diagnosis or remapping services, please give us a call on 01293 769495. Any questions, pop them below or send us a message. Have a great day.